This module will look at the key functions needed to make a communication strategy work. The communication strategy should contain different approaches that can be applied depending on the message, the audience, and the planning required. MAP stands for Messages, Audiences, and Planning. A completed MAP will provide a useful one-page summary about the key messages, target audiences, and milestones. It can be used as a reminder for the program team about communication objectives over the year and to brief project partners and other stakeholders. In order to do this, you need to establish key messages for your program, establish your important audiences with sufficient detail, for example, not just chief executives and leaders, and identify the key communication objectives, milestones, and deliverables for your program area. If the knowledge management strategy is broken into themes or projects, a communication strategy should be prepared for each area. The following is a list of questions used to apply the MAP model. Messages. What do you want to say? How does your work contribute to the service industry? How does your work relate to your corporate objectives and key priorities? What is your unique selling point? What is the benefit of your product or service to your audience? What is the call to action for customers? Is there any evidence of previous impact that you can use to substantiate the message? Audience. Who are you saying it to? Customers. Consider subgroups of customers and other key stakeholders. Consider groups who take a certain opinion about an issue that you want to change. Partners. How will your audience relate to your messages? Have you tailored your messages to your audience? Planning. Saying the right thing to the right people at the right time. What are the existing and future opportunities to reach your audience? What resources do you have for communication and marketing? Is there one point of contact in your team for working closely with communications and marketing? How will you measure success? Have you considered your communication objectives, timeline, milestones, and deliverables?